Hi all, this is Saida, Assistant Professor in EC Department, KJ Reddy College of Engineering Technology, Hyderabad. So last videos we have discussed about the integer representations using sign magnitude, ones complement and two's complement. After that also we have discussed about the additions, subtractions using ones complement and two's complement. So today topic we are going to discuss about the classification of binary codes. Classification of binary codes. Classification of binary codes. Here we are having six various types of binary codes which are very important. Okay, so first one is weighted code. First one is weighted code. Second one is non-weighted code. Third one is reflective code or reflection code. Fourth one is sequential code. Fifth one is alphanumeric code. Then last sixth one is error detection and correcting codes. We'll talk about one by one what are those each. First one is weighted codes. The name itself has the meaning weighted code. In this weighted code, a set of number where it has each digit position has its own weight. So each digit position has its specific weight. So such types of codes are comes under the weighted codes. For example, let us take example of weighted codes. 4565. So in this digit, it is a decimal number. In this number, each digit possesses its own weight. That is, 4 has position at a 1000 weight, 5 position at a 100's weight, and 6 position at a 10's weight, and 5 position at a 1's. Okay, so that means each digit has its own weight. So all these such types of codes comes under the weighted codes. I am repeating once. In the weighted code, each digit has or possesses its own weight. So in the 4565, each digit has 1000. The 4 has 1000 position, 5 has 100 position. 100's weight, 6 has 10 weight, and 5 has 1's weight. So this is the one example. So one is the example of code, and under this weighted code we have various types of codes or binary codes and binary codes. Okay, we have all these are binary codes or BCD called binary and BCD are the examples of under this weighted codes. Next one is non-weighted codes. Under this non-weighted codes, each digit doesn't possess any specific weight. It doesn't have any weight. So in non-weighted code, digit position doesn't have the weight. It is the non-weighted code. Example under these codes are accessory code, okay, XS3 code, XS3 codes, and you can call next one is gray codes. Okay, so these are the examples of under the non-weighted codes. Next one is reflective codes. In the reflective codes, codes will be reflective. For examples, the 9 complement is 9. 9 is the 9 complement. 9 complement code for 9 complement code for 0, and 8 similarly 8 complement code for 1, and so on. 2, okay, 2 complement code for, okay, complement code for 7. These are the reflective codes. That means these codes are reflective. From 9 complement is 0, again 0 complement is 9, 8 complement is 1, 1 complement is 8. These are the complementary code or reflective codes, we call as reflection codes. That means vice versa, both are reflected. So in the decimal number, the maximum number is 9. So 2 plus 7 is 9. 7 complement is 2, again 2 complement is 7. These two are reflective each other. So vice versa. So 2 complement code for 7, again 7 complement code for 2. 8 complement code for 1, and 1 complement code for 8. 9 complement code for 0, again 0 complement code for 9, vice versa, and so on. We have 6, for example, take 6. 6 complement code for 3, again 3 complement code for 6, vice versa, all together. 5 complement code for 4, again 4 complement code for 5. Reflection is there for each complement. So these are the examples under the reflection codes. The next one is sequential codes. In the sequential code, the succeeding binary bit, succeeding binary binary code will be greater than or is greater than the preceding code. I am repeating once. In sequential code, succeeding one binary number or binary code is greater than the preceding code. Examples: XS3 code. Example here will also come. XS3, you can call XS3 and 8421. Okay, and we have 2421. All these are the example codes for the sequential codes. The next one is we have alphanumeric code. In alphanumeric code, the name itself has the meaning alphabetic, the code which consists, the code which has alphabetical letters as well as along with that numerical letters. So that means combination of alphabetical characters and numbers are called the alphanumeric codes. Example under this codes are, example under this alphanumeric codes are ASCII, you can call ASCII means American Standard Code for Information Interchange 1, and we are having that E, B, C, D, I, C. This is what external binary coded decimal interchange codes. Okay, here American Standard Code for Information Interchange, external binary coded decimal interchange codes. These are the codes comes under the alphanumeric codes. In this, code has combination of alphabetical characters and numbers. So such types of codes comes under the alphanumeric codes. The last one is error detection and correcting codes. So here is this is the very important one which plays major role in digital communication, especially in digital communication or digital computers and or digital information point of view. This error detection and error correction plays a major role in wireless communication. Where does it happen? When we are going to transmitting digital information from one point to another point, a source to destination, transmitter to receiver, one system to other system, or one circuit to other circuit, the data may be corrupted. Data may be get corrupted or changed, or will get the noise. Due to a presence of noise, the what data we have transmitted from transmitter section to receiver, at the receiver, the data may be lost. That means this 1 can change as 0 or 0 can change as 1 at the receiver side. So to overcome this problem, to overcome the presence of noise in that receiving data, what we have to do? While before transmitting only, before transmitting the data, we need to add one extra bit. We need to add one extra bit to detecting the error or to correcting the error. Okay, before transmitting the information, digital information from source to destination. So before transmitting itself only, we need to add one extra bit in the information. This extra bit will help, will make to correcting the data or to detecting the error. To detecting the error or to correcting the error point of view, we need to add one extra bit. So that extra bit is functioning for error correction or error detection and correction. Okay. So adding the extra bit is the helpful for detection of error and correction of the code information. So we'll talk about deeply where we are going to be discuss this topic. Okay. So we'll discuss one by one among these 6 different binary codes. So first one is what? As we discussed the weighted codes. In the weighted codes, this is the example I have taken on 4565. Weighted codes are binary and BCD. All these are having the weighted codes. In the binary also, we have seen in binary each digit has its own weight. So such types of examples all comes under the weighted codes. So we will talk about the BCD. What is BCD? Binary coded decimal. So BCD codes are BCD numbers are binary working all here. BCD binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal is the next topic we will discuss. So here BCD means binary coded decimal. So binary coded decimal numbers are from 0 to 9. I can write here decimal number, and we write here BCD codes. BCD codes. So here I see here is the decimal numbers and here is the binary codes. So let us take 0. 0, what is the BCD? BCD are 0, 0, 0, 0. And decimal of 1 in BCD 0, 0, 0, 1. Decimal 2 0, 0, 1, 0. Decimal 3 0, 0, 1, 1. Decimal 4 0, 1, 0, 0, and so on. Decimal 9 and so on. 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. These are the decimal numbers from 0 to 9 and BCD codes are from 0 to 9. So if you observe in the BCD, what does the BCD means? Binary coded decimal. That means all decimal numbers are coded in the form of binary. So if you do observe here, in the decimal, minimum number is 0 and maximum number is 9. That means in the BCD also we are having 0 to 9 maximum numbers. 0 is the minimum number and 9 is the maximum number. So the maximum number in the BCD also 10 only. From 0 to 9, there are 10 digit, 10 numbers are there. Okay, but to representing the BCD, we have taken 4 bits of binary. Very important point, Amma. In the BCD, we supposed to use only 4 bit of binary only. These are the 4 bit of binary. 4 bit of binary. Call as 4 bit of binary. So these are the all are the 4 bit of binary only. So BCD is consisting of 4 bits of binary only. Okay, repeating once. In the BCD, when we are going to take the BCD numbers or BCD codes, it should be contain 4 bits of binary. We have to represent all decimal number can be represented in the BCD of 4 bit of binary only. Okay, 4 bit of binary can be represented in the BCD of each decimal number. Okay, so this is the various numbers in the BCD from 0 to 9. And what is the invalid BCD? What is the invalid BCD? Invalid BCD. Invalid BCD. Okay, invalid BCD. Invalid BCD or, as I told you, in the BCD, each digit should be possess 4 bits of binary. 4 bits of binary. From where to where? From 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 0, 0, 1. Or correct BCD or corrected BCD. Okay, okay. From like 1, 0, 1, 0 to 1, 1, 1, 1 or invalid BCD. I can call as invalid BCD or incorrect BCD. Why these are not invalid BCD? Because these are the codes which also possess the 4 bit of binary only from 10 to 15. Okay, from 10 to F I can call, or 10 to 15. These 6 codes are being used in 4 bit of binary. Even though these are the 4 bit of binary, but we should not consider these are the valid BCD because we have taken BCD is only up to 9 only. BCD codes existing up to 9 only. So up to 0 to 9 only are the BCD are consisting of 4 bit of binary, whereas 10 to 15 are also a 4 bit of binary, but these are not considering for the correct BCD or valid BCD because BCD numbers are from 0 to 9 itself only. So remaining all are not the BCD numbers. So these are the invalid BCD. I can say incorrect BCD or not the BCD. This is the very important point to keep in mind. Okay, let us see how do we represent higher value or greater larger number in BCD. How do we represent larger decimal? How do we represent larger decimal in BCD? How do we represent larger number in BCD? Decimal in BCD. For example, let us take 98. 98 one example, and you can also take 127. These are a little bit larger number in decimal. Okay. Okay. So this larger number, how could we represent in the BCD? What is the BCD of 98 or what is the BCD of 127? So BCD of 98, as I told you, each digit in the decimal to represent the BCD. So each digit in the decimal should be a 4 bit of binary. So each digit in the decimal number should be represented as a set of 4 bit of binary. That means so this digit I can write. Okay, this digit each 9 digit is binary of 1001, and this could be the another 4 bit of binary, that is what 1000. This is the BCD of 98. Okay. Similar way, I can say, okay, so 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Each digit in the decimal should be expressed in 4 bit of binary. That is the BCD. So next is 2. I can write 2 as 0, 0, 1, 0, and 7 as 0, 1, 1, 1. This is the BCD of 127. So this is the way of converting the BCD decimal to BCD. This is the way of converting to decimal to BCD. That means each digit in the decimal number should be represented a set of 4 bit of binary. So the 9 4 bit of binary is 1001 and 8 4 bit of binary is 1000. Similar fashion, how many numbers are increasing in decimal? Each digit has the 4 bit of binary. That is the answer of the BCD. This is the way of converting to decimal to BCD. Okay, so this is the one point I can tell, and the next thing is sorry, go for the addition of BCD. So here addition of BCD have sort of different rules than the binary additions and subtractions. So here we are going to discuss BCD, like what are the advantages and disadvantages in the BCD. Advantages in BCD is the easy way of representing the up to 9, 0 to 9, 10 decimal numbers. Similarly in binary codes, there is no change. Both are easy way of representing the. And if you remember, up to 9 binary values, you are supposed to write all numbers BCD. The easy one. Okay. If you remember up to 9 binary codes, then you can be able to, or you are supposed to write any decimal numbers BCD. That is the easy one. Okay. And coming to the drawback point of view, there is so for example, if you represent 15, okay, for take the example of if you representing the 15 binary is what generally binary I can write here. Binary is what 15 binary is 1 1 1 1 binary. If you take binary, this is how much is it? Okay. If you take BCD, in the BCD, as I told you, each digit in the decimal should be expressed a set of 4 bits. That means this one can be 0 0 0 1 and 5 can be 0 1 0 1. So there are how many characters are there? There are, we required total 8 characters. We require how much? We require the 8 set of characters to expressing the number 15. That means it stores more larger space. It requires more circuits to representing these 18 numbers. Okay, 15 number. So in the binary, it took only 4 characters, 4 digits. It requires only 4 digits. You can say 4 bits. I can call simply 4 bits, and whereas it requires 8 characters, or we call 8 bits. Okay, that is a huge drawback in the BCD. So in normal binary, we can take 15 as a 4 bit, like all ones, 4 bit of binary. Okay, whereas in the BCD, it has taken 8 characters or 8 bits to store this decimal number. This is the biggest drawback in the BCD. Okay, there are other advantages there, but this is the one drawback. Okay, and what are the how do we go for the addition and subtractions? Okay, so in the addition part of BCD, addition has sort of different rules than the binary additions. We'll discuss one by one what are the addition of the BCD in the coming video. So could help us lot more. Okay, and the BCD addition has own different rules. Okay, and cases are there. We'll discuss one by one. Comparing with the binary additions, so BCD addition quite difficult, quite complexity. Okay, and it has some sort of different, because the result it has some different set of rules and set of functions are there. So we'll discuss coming video about the BCD additions and subtraction. So these are drawbacks of the advantage, disadvantage regarding the BCD. What is the advantage? Advantage are simple. It is easy to remember. If you remember up to 9, you can be write any a higher number of BCD, easy to remember, and difficult point is what? That is, it is very difficult, has complexity of additions and subtraction. Set up different rules are there here, addition and subtraction. This is one drawback, other is one difficulty and disadvantage. And other disadvantage is it requires more set of characters. Like I have mentioned that example 15, take example 15 binary is all ones, 4 set of ones. It requires 4 bits only, whereas in the BCD it requires 8 characters. So this is the one of the biggest drawback in the BCD. So we'll deeply discuss about the next classes about this all the reflection codes, and we have also we will go discuss non-weighted codes. Example are accessory and gray code. What is the accessory code and what is the gray code? We'll discuss next video. And also this is fine good, and also we'll see sequential codes. Example of accessory in 8421 2421. We'll see ASCII code and ABCD IC code, and also will very important point. This is the very important point. Error detection and correction will be very important. Okay, in exam point of view and also communication point of view. So this will also discuss about the error detection and correction in the next coming video. And so next video I am going to talk about the BCD additions and subtractions. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.